Hi everyone, this is Per Trane from Helsinglight FX in Sweden. I wanted to start sharing some more videos from our mask making workshops and FX workshops overall. And this video in particular is from our 10-day silicone mask making workshop and the final day of the workshop where the students get to have a professional photo shoot of the characters they have created during this 10-day silicone mask making workshop. I wanted to talk you through a bit what happens before we get to the process of having a photo shoot. It's 10 full creative days at Helsinglight FX in this workshop, and it all starts with designing your character and kind of, setting the mood for the creature you want to create. And then when this is set, or you have a theme decided, then you move on into the sculpting process. And after the sculpting is finished, then it's time to move on into the process of mold making. Every student now gets to learn the art and process of how to create a two-part stone mold and see how the design and whatever you have created in clay is captured in the stone mold. And when the stone mold is ready and cleaned, it's time to move on to the silicone mask making process of casting the silicone in the stone mold. And in the process of silicone casting, the student also gets to know more about silicone as a material, how it works, how to measure it right and how to mix it, and how to choose the best base color for the mask and creature that you are creating. It all depends on the final result that you are looking for and what colors you want to work with in a later stage when you move on to hand painting and airbrushing your mask. And some of the students also choose to add some extra features like glitter or flowers or whatever fits the creature and the character they have created and what they have got in mind for the final photo shoot, which is the next step after finishing the mask. Some students bring their own costumes to the photo shoot and some borrow from Helsinglight FX, and we have got quite a bit of props and attributes that can be used in the photo shoots, and we have got some really amazing locations both inside and outside of Helsinglight FX. During the photo shoot we work closely with our photographers, and everybody's usually helping out and helping each other with the costumes and with getting the characters ready for the photo shoot, and it's such a great day and we have so much fun together. And it really is such a proud moment to see all the students' work. Well, this is such a great day, all from seeing the students starting to work with their designs and sculpting and mold making and creating the mask in silicone and coloring and all these steps to get to the final day where every student has created their own mask in silicone from start to finish. Would you like to learn the art of silicone mask making? Then check out helsinglight.com or email petra@helsinglight.com for more information or to book your spot.